Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. In this video we're setting up some LED strip lighting for the studio. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a key light in front of me here. The first studio light we've put in, just a cheap one that we got off Amazon, just about £30 for the single light. Behind me is a little bit dark, so I need to decide what we're going to do with that area. So first of all, I'm going to put some LED strip lighting behind this cupboard here, behind the Coax unit. And to do that, we're using some LED strip lighting from Tasmor. Tasmor sent me this to use in the studio, see what it's like. So it's USB powered, which is what I wanted. I've done LED projects in the past where we've used separate power supply units. I want to keep this nice and simple in case we take it down. So there's some plugs behind there. We'll get a USB plug put in behind there, and we'll be able to power it directly from there. This is a 5 meter LED strip. I won't need 5 meters behind there, so we can cut this down. I've checked, and there is some stuff on the back to say I can cut it. So what we'll do is we'll jump down onto this desk, use the camera here just to show you what we get in the box, unbox it, and then we can actually fit it to the Coax unit. Okay, so here we got it. We've got the USB LED music strip light. It actually says this is. So we'll take it out of the box now. I've not unboxed this yet. We'll see what we get in there. So wrapped in some cellophane. I'll just do that first of all. Okay, little user manual. Not much, just saying it's got infrared control, showing you how to plug it in, simple as that. So we've got the strip itself, which, as I said before, is a 5 meter strip. It's a 5 meter strip there. Standard LED light remote control you usually get with different lights, and there's the power cord. So it's just a standard USB A plug into like a power jack. So the power jack goes into the end of that there, and then that plugs into USB. So I'll check that's working first. Once we know it's working, we can then get it set out and stuck on the Coax unit using, hopefully, these clips. So it has come with some clips, some sticky clips. I'm assuming as well. Yeah, so on the back of it as well, there is tape on the actual back of the LED strip itself. So we won't need those clips, because hopefully I can stick it directly onto the back of the Coax unit. So I'll pull that Coax unit out a little bit, and we'll start fitting the sticky tape around there. Okay, so you can see at the moment, obviously there's no light there. So I'm going to just pull this Coax unit out, and I'll do a quick video of me putting it in. But it's going to be quite simple, really. It's just the sticky back plastic or sticky back tape, and then I'll stick it around the edge of the Coax unit. Okay, so I'll turn the light off. Just adjust my ISO settings on my camera a little. I'll turn that on. So you can see there the light on now behind me. I'll just flick through a few different colours. So you got the green, blue, red's a bit dim. You got that kind of teal colour, blue. The greens and the blues work really well against the black. If I flick it to red, for example, you can't really see it. So let me just knock the ISO down again. My camera. Can't really see it. Let's flick it onto a blue. Yes, you can see it there. So I've got my key light off, LEDs on. Let me put my key light back on. Just knock that brightness back down. You can see there the effect behind me looks pretty cool actually. Flick it to something like that teal. So yeah, that's worked really well. Really simple to set up. Obviously I need to get the just the lighting just right so it shows up better behind me. But that was pretty simple to do. Okay, as I mentioned, that's the Tasmor USB music LED strip lights. Really simple to set up. The stickiness on the back's really good. I did cut it and had about 1.5 meters left, but it has cut. It's easy to use. Comes with a remote control, with that, which had a battery in. Sometimes they don't come with a battery. That had a battery in, which is good. It's not super bright, if I'm honest, but I wasn't expecting it to be super bright because it's a USB powered 5 volt. So I wasn't expecting it to be super bright because it is supposed to be more of an accent light. Something I think the idea with these ones is really it should be behind a TV. It's plugged into your TV and then it adjusts itself to music. But overall, it's a good light. It works fine. It's giving that bit of accent lighting behind me, which is what we wanted. Something a bit stronger we'll probably have to get maybe put up in the corner pointing down, or something behind me pointing up. But as an accessory light, something just to make the background look a bit more interesting, I think it's pretty good. I'll put a link in the description to the Tasmor one. There obviously are others out there, but there's no reason why I wouldn't recommend this one. It works pretty well and it's a pretty good price. Okay, thank you for watching this video. This has been part 3 of our studio build. Part 1, we'd built the actual studio, put the walls up, etc. Part 2, built this desk. So I'll put some links in the description and up in the video for those different videos if you want to jump back and watch those ones. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not, give it a dislike. Any questions about the Tasmor lights, about the studio, or any other questions you've got for anything we've done in the video, drop it in the comments section and we'll get back to you. If you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.